Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am collaborating with Dossier, a perfume company. So I got 2 boxes I get to try. And about Dossier, it reduces classic and high-end luxury scents at fraction of the price. Keep the exact same quality by cutting all the expenses and the infamous brand tax, which is good. And we have a risk-free system allowing customers to try perfumes before committing to them. If they decide to return the scent, we offer a standard of 30 days return period, in which customers can return any unsealed 50 milligrams or ml Dossier perfume and get a full refund, no questions asked. That is pretty amazing. Affordably of our perfume, any scents, is $29 or $59, so it's between those 2 price points, while designer scents range from $50 to up to $280 in retail, and usually for similar quantities. Comparisons with the original perfume, if possible. We receive excellent feedback on the similarity of the scents and the PERSISTENCE. Free returns and exchange forever. Great bulk deals on our website, up to 20% off discount and free shipping for 3+ bottles. We're always adding new scents to our collections, and we're always thrilled to take suggestions from customers for the future releases. So, we donate all the return perfume bottles to charity, which is awesome. And we try not to use plastic anymore by giving up to 2 ml samples. All orders are always risk-free and returnable with or without the sample. If no sample is included, one can simply test out the full-size bottle and ship it back to us if they don't love it. Above all these, our perfumes are vegan and cruelty-free with clean ingredients and never tested on animals, which is awesome. So, this is what it looks like. It comes with a nice clean box, super cute. And I noticed on the label right here, it tells you what scent it is, so that's really nice. So it says on here, iconic scents, designer quality, no markups, which is nice. And this one is in citrus green, and it has a note here what the top notes are: green apple, lime, and CEDRAT. Middle notes: bluebell, jasmine, and rose. Base notes: amber, ciderwood, and musk. Inspired by Dolce & Gabbana, the blue, light blue for women. So that's really nice. And this is thank you and how it works. Our mission is to deliver highest quality luxury fragrance for a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents and how it works. So this is really nice. It is big and nice, really good size, clean, beautiful. And I like that. And it has the notes here as well. And then this is citrus, green apple. And I love this. It has a magnet. Really heavy duty bottle. And I really love it. I'm going to spritz it. I haven't sprayed it yet. It's really nice and it smells high end. Really, really nice. I haven't tried Dolce & Gabbana one yet, I don't think. So you should get the samples for free. And then the second one they sent me. And again, it has it right here, fruity orange. Really nice. And here's the front of the pamphlet. And this one says grapefruit. For the top note, grapefruit, BERGAMOT, tangerine, lemon, middle note, orange, lily, green apple, magnolia, base note, jasmine, musk, and plum. And then again with the same notes, and this one actually gave me a little sample spray, and I think they both smell delicious and musky. I think I like the dupe, the inspired by Dolce & Gabbana one. And then this is the fruity orange one, which I really like, and I love this magnet. So yeah, there we go with that, and it's really nice. Today I am doing the Norvina ABH collection, and this is volume 1. So the Norvina collection, oh, they're so gorgeous. Pro pigment, I'm excited to use it. So that is what I'm doing today. So, yeah, I am going to go in with this yellow first, right here. That, it's so hard to show you. But I already primed my eyes. I'm going to go in with this yellow. That's so beautiful. So I got that ABH one right there, and this one for like $64. So yeah, pretty excited about that. Going in with this orange right here. And I forgot, with the second scent, that fruity orange was the inspired by the Clinique Happy. Right there. So I am pretty excited for this collaboration. It was really nice of them to send me 2 scents. And I am blessed and thankful. Like, that is amazing. Like, I never collabed with any like companies before, so that was the first, and I'm very excited. I thought the higher YouTubers or anybody would, you know, would have that, and I've seen like a couple of them do these videos. And I was like, oh. And then they reached out to me, which is amazing. So thank you. I'm going to go in with this blue right here. Very beautiful. I bought these on eBay. And they came pretty fast. It's like fast and free shipping. I made sure it was free shipping because now that we have to pay taxes and other on eBay, like, they never used to like give taxes, but they need to make money as well. And I get that. But I love shopping on eBay, and sometimes you don't get the real product, which is sad, but I'm so thankful that I got the real ones for half the price. Going in with this red right here. And by the way, the code will be under in my description for the perfumes, and I think they are really good deals. I'm thinking about, if I see something, I will like definitely pick that up. I'm just gonna go right next to it. Because I don't like paying high price for perfumes because you just spray it and I don't go through a whole bottle. It just like collects, but I like the packaging. So with this nice clean packaging, it's really nice. Like, I'm like, how am I gonna store, different kind of shape packaging on perfumes? This is so clean and nice. I really do enjoy how this looks. And you get quite a bit in there. I love it. Going in with this shimmery yellow now. Use my finger and oh my, that is gorgeous. Very bright and pigmented. Going back in with this red right here and going underneath the eye now. Going in with this orange next to the red. Ah. And then I'm going to go in with this pink right here. Plus, I'll have their website linked down below, but this is what it looks like. If you can see that Dossier website, and then there is up to 20% off free shipping with 3+ perfumes, which is nice. And it has the deals right here. We get 3 from 75, 15% off, 4 from 95, 18% off, 5 from 100, and 20% off as well right there. And then you can see all of their perfumes listed. And there is women, unisex, and men. So it's all there for you to choose. And there's quite a bit of perfumes to choose from, 31 perfumes. And they sell out pretty good, I see. But it's pretty nice. And And yeah, go check them out, and I'll have it all linked down below. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. This is the look for today's video. I like it. It's very pigmented. I highly recommend this. But if you can find, just say authentic for, you know, any palette you're looking for, definitely try this out. Very pigmented, and you would think you could only do purple looks. Well, you don't have to. There is variety in here to do, and it's very beautiful. And I got the Norvina third palette right here as well. I didn't want to make this video way too long, but here is that, and that's so gorgeous. So I had to pick up two. I want the blue one, but I might have to wait a little longer because I don't want to pay like $60 to $50 around there. But this is gorgeous. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment to my channel. Bye for now.